Choosing the right window installation service can make all the difference when upgrading your home in West Jordan. New windows can enhance curb appeal, boost energy efficiency, and improve indoor comfort, but only if they are installed correctly. With so many options available, how can you ensure you're selecting the best service for your needs? Here are the top qualities to look for when choosing a window installation service in West Jordan. Experience and expertise. One of the first things to consider when selecting a window installation service is the company's experience and expertise. A business with years of experience is more likely to provide high-quality workmanship and handle any unexpected challenges that arise during the installation process. Ask about past projects. Inquire about the number of years the company has been in business and ask to see examples of their previous installations. Photos of completed projects and customer testimonials can offer valuable insights into their capabilities. Trained and certified installers. Ensure that the company's installers are properly trained and certified to install different types of windows. Certification shows that they adhere to industry standards and best practices. Licensing and insurance. It's crucial to work with a window installation service that is fully licensed and insured. Licensing demonstrates that the company meets state and local requirements, while insurance provides you with protection in case of accidents or damages during the installation. Workers' compensation insurance. This protects you from being held liable if a worker is injured while on your property. Liability insurance. This covers potential damages to your home during the installation process. Product options and quality. The best window installation services in West Jordan offer a wide range of window options to suit different needs, styles, and budgets. Look for a company that carries high-quality windows made from durable materials such as vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum. Energy-efficient options. West Jordan experiences varying weather conditions, so energy-efficient windows with features like low-E glass, multi-pane insulation, and weather-resistant frames can help reduce heating and cooling costs. Customization options. Whether you prefer casement windows, double-hung windows, or sliding windows, the service should offer a variety of styles and customization options to match your home's design. Strong warranty. A reputable window installation service will stand behind its work by offering strong warranties on both the windows themselves and the installation. This demonstrates their commitment to quality and provides you with peace of mind. Product warranty. This typically covers defects in the window materials or craftsmanship. Labor warranty. This covers issues related to the installation process. Be sure to read and understand the terms of any warranty provided. Positive customer reviews and recommendations. Online reviews and customer recommendations can provide a wealth of information about a company's reliability, professionalism, and quality of work. Look for window installation services with consistently high ratings and positive feedback. Check review platforms. Websites like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, are great places to start. Pay attention to reviews that mention the company's communication, timeliness, and quality of work. Ask for references. A reputable company should be willing to provide references from past clients. Speaking directly with previous customers can give you an accurate picture of their experience with the service. Transparent pricing and detailed estimates. A trustworthy window installation service should provide a clear and detailed estimate for your project. This estimate should include the cost of the windows, labor, any additional materials, and potential fees or taxes. Transparency in pricing ensures that you know exactly what to expect and can avoid surprises later on. No hidden fees. Be wary of companies that provide vague or overly low estimates, as this may indicate hidden fees or subpar work. Flexible financing options. If budget is a concern, look for companies that offer flexible payment plans or financing options. Excellent customer service. Customer service can make or break your experience with a window installation company. The best services prioritize communication, professionalism, and responsiveness throughout the entire process, from the initial consultation to the final installation. Responsive communication. The company should respond promptly to your inquiries, address any concerns you have, and keep you informed about project timelines. Professional attitude. Installers should be courteous, respectful of your property, and take care to minimize disruption to your home during the installation. Making the right choice for your West Jordan home. When searching for the top window installation services in West Jordan, focus on companies with proven expertise, strong warranties, positive reviews, and a commitment to providing quality products and services. By selecting the right professionals for the job, you can ensure a smooth installation process and enjoy the benefits of beautiful, energy-efficient windows for years to come.